this is my second video of class 5th General Science lesson 4 Animal World. In this video, we have studied about the exercise of lesson 2. But before that, we discuss about the homework. Those are given in previous online class. Now, all students, I have given in previous online class homework. Read and write, revise the explained topics of lesson 2. I hope you have read and revise the explained topics of lesson 2. As you know that in previous online class I have explained the topics movement in animals and migration. I hope you have revised and read in proper way. I remind again all of you, please you have write name, class and section in comment box for attendance. Okay, always keep in mind. Okay, see here. Lesson to Animal World. In this video, we discuss about the homework. We discuss about the exercise of lesson 2. First exercise, choose the correct answer. Each question have 4 options and you choose those are correct answer. First, see the body covering of an animal help it to first prepare its food, second move, C live in a particular habitat, and D hibernate. Which option is correct? Yes, the right answer is live in a particular habitat. C option is correct. Now next, second number, the breathing organs of amphibians are. The breathing organs of amphibians are option A lungs, B gills, C body surface, and D all of these. Yes, right answer is all of these. Amphibians breathe with the help of lungs, gills and as well as body surface. Now third number, frog and lizards catch their prey by using their A holding, B sucking teeth, C sharp teeth and D sticky tongue. Yes, right answer is sticky tongue. Next, insects like lice, bugs, termites move by A hopping, B walking, C crawling, D flying. Yes, C option is correct. Crawling. Crawling is the right answer. Question number 5. Snakes move through A limbs, B scales or threads, C fins, D claws. Yes, B option is correct. Correct. Scales or plates. Now 6 number. Plants and flesh-eating animals are called A herbivorous, B omnivorous, C carnivorous, D scavengers. Yes, omnivorous is the right answer. Omnivorous, you know that omnivorous is the flesh of other animals as well as plant products. Now 7 number. An animal or bird that does not migrate is option A polar bear, B Siberian crane, C salmon and D locusts. Yes, A answer is correct, polar bear. I repeat again, choose the correct answer. First, the body covering of an animal help it to. Option C is correct, live in a particular habitat. Question number 2, the breathing organs of amphibians are lungs, gills, body surface. All of these. D option is correct, all of these. Frog and lizards catch their prey by using their. Option D is correct, sticky tongues. Insects like lice, bugs, termites move by. Option C is correct, crawling. Snakes move through. B option is correct, scales or plates. Plant and flesh-eating animals are called omnivorous. Option B is correct. An animal or bird that does not migrate is option A is correct. Polar bear. Now next exercise. Exercise B. Take the odd one out, giving region. Here, four options. Each question have four options. One is odd, and one is different from others, and you select the those are odd, those are different, and give region also. Region is not necessary to write in copy, but find out the what is that one, what is odd one. First, lion, snake, deer, owl. See here, lion, snake, deer, owl. Here, deer is a odd one because lion, snake, owl. These are carnivorous animals, but deer is a herbivorous animals. Okay, next, cow, rabbit, rat, squirrel. Here, yes, what is odd one? What is the yes? Cow is different from others because rabbit, rat, squirrel are rodents, but cow is a herbivorous animals. Next, kiwi, crow, ostrich, emu. Which option is correct? Yes, crow. Because kiwi, ostrich, emu, these are flightless birds. They cannot fly, but crow can fly. That's why different. Okay. Fourth number, cow, dog, lizard, camel. Which is different? Yes, lizard is different because cow, dog, camel, these are mammals, but lizard is a reptiles. Okay, I repeat again. In first, deer. In second, cow. In third, crow. And fourth, lizard. You have write this exercise, both exercise. Choose the correct answer and tick one, tick the odd one out given region. This exercise also you have write in copy. Thank you. Now all students, you have take one copy and pen. Now write homework of lesson 2 animal bird. Exercise C. Rewrite the following statements correctly. First, you understand what do in this homework. You know that here 5 statements are given, but statements not given in correct form, not in proper form. Here something is wrong. You remove those are wrong and write in correct form. So see here one by one. Rewrite the following statements correctly. First number, a whale is a fish and it breathes through gills. Here you understand what is wrong? Yeah, you do. Okay. In next video I will solve, but see carefully and solve it. Second, crow and pigeon are flightless birds. You know that crow and pigeon. Yeah. Third, carnivores have well-developed incisors. Carnivores have well-developed incisors. Fourth, birds have teeth to eat their food. Fifth number, snakes have legs to move. Here you see many statements are wrong. You do correct in proper form, in proper way. Okay, this is a very interesting exercise for you. I repeat again, a whale is a fish and it breathes through gills. Second, crow and pigeon are flightless birds. And third, carnivores have well developed incisors. Fourth, birds have teeth to eat their food. And five, snakes have legs to move. Have write this homework in copy and solve it. Okay, I remind again, in comment box you have write name, class and section. This is very important for attendance. It's a necessary, very necessary. Okay, in comment box you have write name, class and section. And every video you watch and see carefully and what do your homework do correct form. Thank you.